Jai Hind and welcome to Saraswati Shishu Kunj Wagwala Borsad, and this is the video, this is the second video of spoken English, or we can say applied English, as we have already given another name for spoken English. The chapter is casual greeting. This is the first chapter of 4th standard, casual greetings. In the first video you might have gone through few activities that we have already done in the previous video. So let us have a glance on the video, let us have a glance on the activities that we have already done. So you will get a clear-cut idea about what has already been done, and then we will move forward. The first activity, let us see first what is casual greetings. So you know well, casual greetings are the greetings. These are the words that we use to greet others. For example, when you come to school, you say, Jai Hind ma'am, good morning, good afternoon, good noon. So these are the words that we use to greet others at different time of the day. But there are some differences between the casual greetings and the greetings that we use with our elders or the strangers. Casual greetings are the greetings that normally we use with our friends and family members. Let us see the first activity that has already been done here. So this activity was about that you have to look at the pictures. You have been given a lot of pictures, 7-8 pictures. Then you have to take the picture that shows the conversation between friends. So you have to listen to the conversation. You might have listened to the conversation, and you have to tick where you find that the conversation was about the friends. Means this was the conversation that was taken place between the two friends only. Now let us see another activity. This is also the same one. Okay, this is also the same one. You will have to tick whether it is the conversation that has been taken place between the friends. Now let us move to next activity. This activity was about the party. Here you could listen. This was the activity that was based on the audio track. You could listen one audio track, and that was about the different types of people. They were different friends. They were gathered at a party, and they were talking about their greetings. They were greeting one another in different situations. The last activity that we conducted in our spoken English video, in the previous video, was about the different types of greetings. Here once again you see that I have already explained this on the blackboard, and I also gave you a lot of different types of examples to understand this. For example, I am doing well. For example, you usually say how are you? When you want to ask somebody how are you, you use the word, the greetings, how are you. But we learned another greeting that was how are you doing, and you can say hey, how is going. It means how the things are around you, or how is going on nowadays. So these are the another new greetings that we learned in the previous chapter, in the previous video in the same chapter. For example, how are you doing, or you can say how is going on. And we also learned the formation that I am plus doing plus good, great, or well. If you want to say another way, you can say it's going good, it's going well, it's going great. Then we have learned this thing. When you are taking leave of somebody, you can say now, see you soon, or you can say see you later. Now let us see the next activity, the upcoming activity, and the first activity of this video. Listen again and fill in the blanks. This is the same track that we have already listened it, or we have already heard it in the previous activity, but we listen it once again. Here you can find different types of friends. You can see these are the friends, these two friends, 2 plus 2. So we can say they are different friends, and they are talking about their situation, and they are also greeting one another. They are greeting one another. So let us first listen the audio track.
Listen again and fill in the blanks.
Hey Ajay, how are you doing? Hey, I am good. How are you doing? I am doing well. Hey Peter. Hello Peter. How is it going? Great. And you? I am doing great too. Hey Johnny, how are you? I have not seen you in a long time. I am well. I am in another school now. We miss you at school. I miss school too. Sorry, I have to go now. I will see you later. See you later. We should leave now. Yes, it is getting late. Yes, goodbye. Bye.
So here you listen the audio. So what you have to do in this activity is that you have to listen to the audio very carefully and you have to fill in the blanks with the help of the audio. So you will have to find out the dialogue, that which dialogue you will have to write in the bubbles. You have been given bubbles. Some of the dialogues have been spoken by them, have been written in the bubbles, but the blank bubbles you have to fill with the audio track, that when you listen you will get to know that which audio track belongs to which conversation. For that we have to listen the audio track once again. You will get to know, I will also put my hand, so you will get to know that which conversation belongs to which bubble. Let us listen to it once again.
Listen again and fill in the blanks.
Hey Ajay, how are you doing? Hey, I am good. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. Hey Peter. Hello Peter. How is it going? Great. And you? I am doing great too. Hey Johnny, how are you? I have not seen you in a long time. I am well. I am in another school now. We miss you at school. I miss school too. Sorry, I have to go now. I will see you later. See you later. We should leave now. Yes, it is getting late. Yes, goodbye. Bye.
So last you heard, yes, it is getting late. We should leave now. So these are the different types of greetings that we use at different situations. You could notice one thing, that everybody did not use the same greetings. Everybody did not use the same greetings. So greetings get changed according to the situation. Here you could see these people were talking in different situations and they were using different types of greetings. Now we'll see the next activity. Okay, listen to friends and talking to listen to some friends talking to one another. These people are talking to one another. You will have to find it out. So here Priya is asking friends how they are. Priya is asking to her different friends. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Priya has 5 different friends and she asks how they are. And now we have to find that what are they answering, how they are responding. When she says that, how are you doing? So the person, her friend says, yes, I am fine, good, great, well, not good. What is the answer that we have to tick here? We have been given different types of answers. For example, when Priya asks her that how is going well, is everything going well? So she says that yes, I am doing great. How is she doing? If she says how is she doing or how are you doing? So she says I am doing great, or whether she says I am doing well, or whether she says not so well. So these are the different answers that have already been given to us, but we have to find the correct answer, and for that we have to listen to the audio. So let us listen the audio and we will take the right answer according to the response of the friends. Let us listen.
Listen to some friends talking to each other. Choose the answer Priya gets from each friend.
Hey Reena, how are you doing?
Not so well. I have been ill.
Hey Rizwan, how is it going?
It's not going well. I'm late for school again.
Hello Joe, how are you? Not great. I am sad about my poor grades. Hi Raj, how is it going?
Not so good. I had a very scary nightmare last night.
Hello Arjun, how are you doing?
Not very good. I have a terrible stomachache.
Okay, now, as we have already seen this on page number 13, that we have different types of greetings here. We'll listen to it once again and I will tell you the right answers. So, please listen to it once again.
Listen to some friends talking to each other. Choose the answer Priya gets from each friend.
Hey Reena, how are you doing?
Not so well.
Not so well.
Ill.
Hey Rizwan, how is it going?
It's not going well. I'm late for school
It's
again.
not going well.
Hello Joe, how are you? Not great. I am sad about my poor grades.
Not great. The answer is
Hi
B.
Raj, how is it going?
Not so good. I had a very scary nightmare last night.
So, not so good.
Hello Arjun, how are you doing?
Not very good. I have a terrible stomachache.
Not very good. He has a terrible stomach ache. Okay, so now let us see the next activity. Now, for this activity, I would like to call Alpesh sir, and he will be conducting this.
Hello students, so now this is another activity. That activity is about speaking and practicing. Speaking and practicing. So students, you can see on the screen, there are 4 pictures are given. So what is the instruction? Here the instruction is work in pairs. Look at the pictures and act the situation where you are meeting your friends. Take turns to greet. Use the greetings and responses you have learned in this unit. So students, here in this picture, what we need to do? We need to greet one another. We need to take turn for greeting one another. And we, as per the situation, we need to enact. And as per the situation, we need to greet one another. And we need to respond one another. So students, we will discuss first of all first picture. So students, you can see in the first picture there is a one boy and one girl. You can see the girl is sitting on the chair. So now suppose they both are friends. Suppose if we take the name, the name Raju. The Raju is the name of a boy, and same way the name of the girl is Priya. Both are talking. So both are meeting first time. So Raju says to Priya, "Hi Priya." Priya says, "Hello Raju." Raju asks her again, "How is it going?" Priya says, "Everything is going well." You can write in another way also. If Raju says, "How about you?" Priya says, "Yeah, I'm fine too." Now next, you can see second picture. Now in second picture, you can see one boy and one girl. You can see the brush is in the hand of a boy. So the boy has drawn this picture. So this girl, she greets the boy that, suppose if we take the name of a boy Raju and the girl name is Priya. So Priya greets Raju. "Hi Raju, how are you? What's going on? How is it going?" So Raju says, "Yeah, everything is going, I'm doing well, everything is going well, everything is going great, I'm doing great." So here students, Raju answers in a different ways. Same way we can answer in a different situation. We can respond whatever the friend asks us. So here Priya asks Raju, how is it going? So Raju says, yeah, it is going well, it is going good, or it is going great. So here Priya asks again him, yeah, wow, what a nice picture. So Raju says, yes, it is a beautiful picture. Thank you. Same way we will talk about third number picture. Now here you can say third number picture. One boy is sleeping on the bed. Same way one girl is sitting beside him. So you can say now, what are they talking about? How do they greet one another in this picture? How do they greet one another? Girl says to boy, hi. What is going on? So the boy says, I am sick. I am sick. I am ill. So not so good. I am unwell. I am not well. So students, you can use different answer or different response when someone asks you, how about you? Or you can say, what is going on? So the boy replies, the boy responds that I am not so good. I am not well. I am unwell because I am sick. I am ill. So that is the third number. Now let's move to the fourth number picture. Now in fourth number picture, one boy and one girl, they are there. So what they are talking now? Suppose they are taking leave from there. Okay, both of them, they are taking leave from one another. So the girl says, suppose the girl is in hurry. The girl says, hi, now I have some work to do. So see you soon. See you later. I am going. It's getting late. Same way the boy answers to the girl. Okay, I am also in hurry. I have also some work to do. So I am also going. It's getting late for me. So here the boy also answers. Here the boy responds to the girl same way that goodbye. See you later. Okay. So dear students, these are the four pictures. They are speaking about the greetings to one another and they are giving responses to one another about greeting. So dear students, now let's move to another activity that is about role play. Role play activity. Let's read the instruction first. Work in pairs. Take turns to take leave of your friend. So here, how to take leave from your friends when the two friends are together, and if you want to take leave from your friends. So how to take leave from your friends when you are together? So let's see. Sia, here Sia and Rahul. Okay, you can see in the picture the girl is Sia and the boy is Rahul. So Sia first says, Rahul, we must go home now. Mummy will be waiting. So dear students, what Sia says to Rahul? Sia says, Rahul, we must go home now. Mummy will be waiting. So same way what Rahul answers. Rahul says, you are right. See you tomorrow. So Sia says, see you, bye. So students, same way you can do this kind of activity at your home with your brothers or sisters or with your friends. Okay students, I hope you understood this activity. And one more thing dear students, now in a short time you will get a video call from your English teacher. He or she might ask about whatever you have heard, whatever you have watched in the video that you got. So dear students, please be prepared, be ready for answering your teachers when your teachers give you video call. So dear students, I hope you understood this, all the activities, whatever the activities are explained by Prahlad sir and me. If you do not understand dear students, so please watch the video again and try to understood. So goodbye and see you soon in the next video.